Hoganas is definitely the world's leading producer of iron powders. We're actually headquartered in Hoganas, Sweden. We do have 11 production facilities, 4 continents in 8 countries around the world. And then looking at North American Hoganas right here, our headquarters are located right here in Holsopple PA.
Technology and innovation into the Stony Creek plant has been huge for us over the last year of developing a good wireless infrastructure plan that we have been implementing. Prior, we had a system that didn't work. We had nothing but trouble, problems every day. You know, you'd be near an access point and you wouldn't be able to make a call, or you'd be on a fork truck or a computer and it would just drop. You'd just lose your connection. It was very frustrating. It was a valid, legitimate problem.
There's a lot of heavy interference. It's a very harsh RF environment. It makes it very difficult for a wireless network in this case. So we've been trying to bring down the obstacles so we can keep the network up for 7x24, which is obviously necessary for this company. It provides both productivity and safety issues, so it's high priority.
We have just under 100 access points total in the facility. The warehouse, believe it or not, only has like 5 access points in the entire, 250,000 square foot area. From that, we have about 5 to 7 terminals on the fork trucks at any given time. Different portions or different departments will come into different areas of the warehouse. They're there, and then we have handsets. We'd have probably around 60, 70 handsets of 7925, 7921s, 7925 EXs, the yellow ruggedized phones. Pretty much everyone who's mobile needs a phone, and they need to be able to walk throughout the facility and still make a call. They need pervasive wireless, and with the clean air technology we have.
Our previous wireless infrastructure had constant disconnects. There were gaps in coverage. People were dropping calls. Fork trucks were disconnecting. It just made life very difficult for everyone. Gave us a lot of problems. They've been resolved.
The Cisco Clean Air product, really night and day difference for us right now. It gives us solid connectivity, gives us good network reliability, and it makes the work environment much more reliable for our employees.
The clean air technology really is where the magic happens. Normally on our old wireless system, the wireless would bounce off the walls, okay? So you'd have a signal coming down and it hit off the wall and bounce. Well, you'd be authenticating to the bounce. You wouldn't get to go anywhere. You just see, okay, I have good signal, but I don't. I'm actually seeing a bounce, okay? It's the easiest way to explain it. With clean air, it's really neat. The fact that it actually uses that reflection to our advantage. It actually uses it to amplify the signal. So even though you're working off all the bouncing signals, clean air is able to say, oh, I know how to use this, and I'm going to use it to my advantage. So we're making the most of our G devices, our wireless handsets we have, our forklift terminals, and just regular computers that people carry around every day. They're able to use that harsh environment to actually make our signal better and easier and just a lot less headache.